On the 991 Gen 1, you will need to first remove the engine cooling or purge fans, taillights, rear wing, and the rear bumper cover. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. The 991 Gen 1 has a sound tube, red arrow, that goes to a pipe that enters at the rear of the cabin, blue arrow. Begin by disconnecting the flex pipe to the tube. If you want, you can remove the tube by turning it counterclockwise, blue arrow. There are a series of vacuum actuators and switches on the right side of the airbox, red arrow, depending on how your vehicle is optioned. Press in the clip and disconnect the wiring harness, red arrow. Squeeze in on the tabs, red arrow, and disconnect the blue vacuum line from the line that goes into the engine bay. Separate the clear vacuum line from the actuator, red arrow. Locate and disconnect the brown electrical connection by pushing in on the wire tab and separating. Remove the 10mm bolts, red arrow, one on each side, from the lower section of the airbox. Use a 7mm socket and completely loosen the hose clamp holding the airbox bellows to the throttle body, red arrow. Use a pick and separate the bellows from the throttle body. You can now pull the airbox back and up and out from the chassis. Use care as there are two mesh screen areas on the front lower section of the box you do not want to damage. You can now take the airbox to your bench for access to all of the actuators and vacuum lines. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.